Meme coins are moving nicely higher today, and Bitcoin is leading the way. Still sitting between 108 and 109,000. Bitcoin is looking very strong, but meme coins like SPX6900 are leading the charge, rising towards $2 per coin from a little bit above $1 per coin right now. Now, over the last year or so, SPX 6900 has gone from absolutely worthless to worth over $1 billion in total. And with that, it's bringing off and spinning off a lot of brand new tokens, taking advantage of that 6900 number or $6,900 genre. It's almost like the E-News and the Pepes. Well, we're going to be talking about a brand new token in this video, Token 6900, that is looking at even potential larger gains than what SPX 6900 is seeing. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. If you scroll through this article, let's talk a little bit about SPX 6900 surging, outpacing most of its peers with a 12% rise over the last day. But some analysts are already pointing towards Token 6900 or T6900 as a new meme coin that can outperform SPX in the second half of 2025. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about that in a second here. But if you guys are interested, there's a link down in the description below. You guys are going to be able to click that, and from there, it's a very easy process to buy. Now, I know the website looks a little older, right? It's mocking or mimicking the the SPX 6900 website, and kind of got a very retro look to it. Nonetheless, it's still easy to use. You're going to click Connect Wallet, and once you click that, it's going to ask you how you want to connect. Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and so on. From there, you're going to choose your option, scan the QR code that pops up on the screen, and then all you have to do is type in how many tokens you want, and those tokens are yours on launch day. Now, this one's very important, right? They've raised about $250,000 so far, and the hard cap is $5 million US dollars. So this is not some pre-sale that's going to be going on for months, and you're going to be wondering when it's going to end. Hard cap of $5 million US dollars. Current price is 0.0065. Launch price is going to be 0.07125. So you're already going to be making a very nice gain once the token launches. But setting the scene, it says SPX 6900 has soared 12% over the last 24 hours, hitting $1.35 and passing a $1.2 billion market cap. Spot trading volumes have exploded. They're 131% higher than they were yesterday, hitting $60 million. And open interest is now at the highest level since mid-June. But why is there such demand for SPX 6900? It seems tied to Elon Musk's announcement about crypto-friendly political party, which has traders buzzing. Meme coins went wild compared to the rest of the market, and most are green today. Big money is backing SPX 6900 too. Whales moved $2.8 million worth of SPX into private wallets last week, while funding rates also turned positive after being in the red. With almost 39% of the supply held by whales, there's always a chance that SPX could sell off suddenly. So even though the coin is on a strong start to the week, some traders have already been eyeing other options for safer gains, such as Token 6900. Now, this is where this one comes in. It is a brand new token. It has not been eaten up by whales yet. And of course, as you can go through, you can see that this is a meme coin of all meme coins, man. There's not much utility behind it. There's not much of anything other than a crazy viral community supporting this token and really looking for gains. Guys, that's what it's all about. It's all about gains. Maybe we can go in there, buy a token that is nearly worthless, right? And watch it turn into something. That's what happened with SPX 6900, and that's what could happen with Token 6900. So, when will this token? These guys got some very interesting, frequently asked questions, right? But you can get your questions answered at the bottom of the page there. You can see everything that this token has going on. It's a very easy process to buy. As a matter of fact, I've already bought in on 2 separate occasions to Token 6900. I bought in at the launch price of 0.064, and I've once again bought in at the current price of 0.065, or 0.65 cents. So make sure to pay attention to this one. If it does even a fraction as well as SPX 6900 did, we could be in I guess store for major gains here. So let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.